Hi guys, welcome back to Tech Time with T. Today is going to be a special edition. It's going to be a home improvement, not making fixing cars. It's going to be home improvement. Basically my kitchen sink, the water hose, water spray, the hose actually cracked, so when you turn on the water, use a spray, actually squirt all over the place, so I need to replace it. Alright, I just want to show this real quick. This is a kitchen. Yes, you will see plates and stuff like that. It's common, right? It's kitchen where you cook food. Basically, this is what happened here. This is the spray I'm switching. So basically, there's a crack right here. You can see when you spray, it's squirted all over the place. So I need to switch that. That's what it is. It actually hose itself. So basically, this is the hot and cold. And what you want to do first, make sure you turn off the valve where the hot and cold water. So you gotta close it, okay? That's which is under the sink. So that's what we're doing. Which I already did it anyway. Also, I'm gonna show you. It's like this hose spray actually connected to the bottom of this here. So basically, it's a connector. It's like all you do is just pull it down, and it just comes off, and that's it. And then we just snake it out through here and just replace the new one. Alright, as you can see this one right here, this is where the hose spray is from the top. It's actually this here, and then at the end is actually over here. So I'm just gonna pull, and that's all I need to do. So it should come off just like that. Alright, and that's it. And then you just snake it up to get it out. Okay, once you yank that out the other end, so this is the spray. Just take it out. Take it out right there. Alright, here's a new package I got from Home Depot, from Delta Genuine Parts. Actually, the part number is RP31612-3. It's a universal spray and hose replacement kit. That's what I'm doing. Okay, basically, just open it up. I'm cutting it. Good. Yeah, do this part. Okay. Flip it open. Here is the new hose. Alright, there's all these fitting which I do not need. This here, and also this is chrome. We're not going to use this new spray. I'd rather use the same one I had, the old one, which is a finishing like a brass-like silver, which match all my sink. So that's what I'm doing. Just take it out and put it into the new hose that's not ripped. All right, I just want to show you real quick. This one under the sink, which I pulled. It's called quick connector. That's how it comes with. It's pre-made already from Delta, so that's why it's very hard to find for a replacement. It's straight from Delta. That's how they pre-made the hoses, and you have to buy the whole thing to replace the sink hose, the spray. All right, that's what it can look like. So basically, I yanked it, and this comes out, and that's what it was for the new one. This is the brand new one, I guess. Also, what I'm doing, I'd rather use the old one. It's better. And the new hose, it actually comes with a gasket as well, so like a O-ring. So that's what I'm doing. Perfect. Fit. There you go. So brand new, but this is old spray. Alright, just go back into the snake, shove it back into the nipple under the sink, and you're all set to go. Alright, all you need to just do, just stick the new hose into the bottom of the sink. Take this out. That's what perfect right there. That's what it looks like. And let's go to the bottom. Alright. Connect the new hose. Basically this one is pre-made already, so it just push right in to the nipple with the connector. And that is it. It's snapped in and you're good to go. Look at that. That is how you do it. Alright, let's turn the cold water valve back on slowly. Okay. It's good. And then let's go to the left, which is the hot water. Okay, let's go to the hot water. That's it. Okay, let's go test it out. Alright, you know how it goes. Once you fix something, you gotta test it out, make sure it probably worked. Alright, this is the cold water. Just open it slow. Nice and cold. And the hot water. There we go. A little warm there. Alright, let's try out the spray. Brand new. There you go. Beautiful. Why not just clean a little bit here while I'm here already? Testing out the water in the spray. Pretty good pressure too. Once you replace the new one. Okay. Working fine. Perfect. That's all you need to do. And just clean up the sink and good to go. Alright, thanks for watching Tech Time with T Special Edition Home Improvement. Who said Tech Time can't do home improvement? Come on! Well, that's basic stuff you need to do. Plumbing stuff, I will give him a call. Plumber, not me. Alright, but this is basic, we can do it. Thanks for watching, and you take care, and please check out my other video. If you want to know about nothing about cars, go for it. There's about 73 videos there for cars, but home improvement is my first one doing, so possibly be more comment, but I try not too many on home improvement. I rather work in cars. Alright, take care, thank you for watching. Tech Time with T. Peace out.